Hey guys, welcome to the unboxing video for the limited edition Arduino Uno mini boards. I ordered two of these about 2 or 3 weeks ago, and I'm really thrilled because this is limited edition, so I'm very intrigued as to what's inside this packet. So without further ado, let's unbox and let's see what's inside. So let's take it away. Alright, let's take a look at this. So this is the package. Let's open it up and see what we get. Alright. Yeah. Oh wow, that looks nice. Wow, look at that. Arduino Uno Mini Limited Edition. Yeah, I love how the logo's in gold and so forth. It says Arduino Uno Mini Limited Edition. And it's got a bit of gold trimming on the side. It's got a holographic sticker, so you know you're getting the genuine article. ABX 00062, designed, engineered and assembled in Italy. If this is the genuine one, it certainly was from Italy. Okay, now what does this have? What does it say on the back? Let's take a look. It says, big features, miniature size, limited edition. To celebrate the 10 millionth Arduino Uno, the world's favorite development board has gone mini. The beating heart of millions of projects developed by the Arduino community is back as a limited collector's edition. Everything in this version is unique. Premium materials, finishing, design and packaging, all delivered to the highest standard. A little jewel to express our gratitude for your continued support of Arduino. And we've got a URL at the bottom. And of course, I did say that we did order two, so there is a second box right here. So of course they are identical. All right, they are both identical. Right, let's put one aside and let's open up one of these. So let's take a look. Now, oh, we've got to slip this off, don't we? Ooh, how cool is that? It's like a gold watch or a piece of jewelry or something, or an engagement ring. And just for intents and purposes, let me get you the genuine original Arduino Uno board, which is this one. It comes with the plastic backing, so let's just remove that. This is the original Arduino Uno R3. So I'm going to put that there, just so we can sort of do a side-by-side comparison. I have not lifted this up yet, so let's take a look at it. So, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa! Oh my gosh! That is so cute! Oh, I did not expect it to be that small, I have to admit. I mean, oh my gosh, it's as if... Sorry, I have to do this. It's as if two Arduino boards, mummy board and daddy board, and they gave birth to a little baby Arduino Uno mini board. Oh, oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. Wow, look at that. And I haven't even taken it out the box yet. Look at that, look at the size. Gosh, you could like fit four of these or 5 or 6 of these into one, like, yeah, maybe about 4, maybe 5. Oh gosh. All right, I'm gonna put the Arduino Uno board aside now. How do we get this out? Let me see. Do we just pick it out like this? Hang on. Oh, I think we can just open this part. Ah, here we go. Yeah, look at that. Nice gold piece of box. Unfortunately, I actually threw out the box for this one, so I can't put the two boxes together. But anyway, that is so cute. Right, see, look, there's my thumb. Man, that is amazing. I'm sorry, I've got to try this. Let's see, have we got an Arduino Nano board? Excuse me. Okay, that's a Nano board. That's the Uno R3. And this is the limited edition Uno mini board. Oh my gosh. Oh, that is... I just can't get over that. That's amazing. Look, there's the micro... Sorry, I keep getting the names wrong. Forgive me. That's the Nano board. And that's the mini board. Sorry, I'm a bit tired today, but wow, that's phenomenal. You know? Wow, look at that. Let's just move these aside so the camera doesn't get out of focus. Okay, so look at that. It should be USB. It's USB Type C. Okay. Yeah, you can see USB Type C. These ports. Oh, it's got some port. Yeah, it's got these caps on the top to protect the covers. So you can take them off like this. All right, let's. Can we zoom in a bit? Let's see. Let's try to zoom in a bit. Okay, there we go. You see that? All right, you can see. Wow. That is. How many times am I going to say this is so cute? Apparently, each of these boards has a unique number. So every single board has a unique number somewhere. It must be on the back. All right, let's bring this up a bit. Okay, hold on, let's take a look. All right, okay, here we go. Uno Mini, limited edition, open source is love, designed and assembled in Italy. What does it say? It says A408. And wow, look at that. It's so small, it's actually hard for me to see if I've got my glasses on. If I take my glasses off, it's a lot easier. Okay, so, oh, that is so nice. Look at that. Awesome, isn't it? Okay, let's have a look. Oh, yes. I did hear about this. So, that's the serial number. Okay, so that is the unique number. Sorry, I wasn't looking. I didn't notice that the first time. So what does it say? It says, a little jewel as a big thank you for your loyal support over the years. You are our inspiration. And it's got the names of the top individuals of the Arduino team, and including their signatures, and the serial number is A408. So that must be the unique identifier for this board. So one would assume that this one would have its own serial number. Let's take a look. So I'm going to unbox the second one. I'm not going to take out too much, but yes. There you go. Okay, one of them is A408 and the other one is A416. Great. Yep, so they are completely unique. We might as well take it out. It's fine. Mind you, I'm not plugging this in. I'm just unboxing it. I'm not testing the board. Okay, so I just want to be clear about that. So these are the two boards. Oh, and by the way, they are $45 US each. So altogether, cost about 90 US, maybe 15 US dollars for the delivery to Hong Kong. So it was roughly about 105, 110, something like that, US dollars for shipping and handling and the two boards. All right. Okay. That, first impressions, is beautiful. I can't say fairer than that, man. I just cannot. That is beautiful, guys. You know, thank you so much for this. I'm really, really intrigued, as I've said, and I look forward to giving this a test run. So there we have it, guys. The Arduino Uno Mini Limited Edition, number 408. So, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you all soon. You take care, and goodbye.